Hello, I'm John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at a pre-owned 2023 Boston Whaler 350 Realm. This boat is in like new condition with less than 30 hours. Beginning here on the transom, you see this boat is equipped with the triple Mercury 300s with joystick piloting. As you come into the cockpit area, you've got your freshwater shower, fish boxes both port and starboard, large seat here on the transom for when you have extra guests on board. You also have your swim door, dive door here. The ladder stores away under the seat. Great feature on the Realm is the cool box. So here you have a refrigerated box that you can open this way to fully access, and then there's also a door where you can access it here without having to open the whole lid. Moving up towards the helm area, prior to that, you do have your electric grill as well, storage underneath. But one of the great things about the Realm is the versatility. It's a great fishing boat, great offshore boat, a great entertaining boat. It just checks a lot of boxes. One of which is with your passenger seat here, your helm seat will spin around. You have a table that mounts here, and four of you can have dinner, lunch, snacks, all together right here. As you see, you have air conditioning here at the helm, as well as all the way here at the dash. Refrigerator here on the starboard side as well. At the helm, you have the large Simrad displays, Mercury digital throttle, of course, joystick piloting. This boat has, of course, the glass enclosure, powder-coated black. You have the sheer shade that extends all the way over the cockpit area. You also have storage up here, which has your isinglass enclosures, so you can enclose this area if desired. Now we'll step down into the cabin. So again, you have climate control here, television. This berth converts, but you have a nice seating area, great place to get out of the weather, out of the sun, enjoy some air conditioning. Then you also have your head compartment here as well. It's a wet head with a shower, vacuum flush toilet. Now we'll move up and check out the bow area. So you walk through on the port side, you have a very large lounger with armrests that drop down with integrated cup holders for 3. You have your JL audio controls up here in the bow as well. This table will go all the way down, so this can create one large sun pad. And of course, all the way forward, you have your windlass controls, casting platform, very spacious bow area, very comfortable and great for entertaining. Well, again, my name is John Wright. This is our pre-owned 2023 Boston Whaler 350 Realm. Again, less than 30 hours, Abaco blue hull, white Mercury motors, checks a lot of boxes, great boat. We'd be glad to show you this boat or any in inventory. Give us a call, 910-256-8100, and check us out on Facebook, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach.